Adding Google Media, YouTube videos, and Picassa web images. If you want to add video or images to your course in Angel, this can be done right from within the rich text editor. If you go to Learning Modules and either choose content that you've already created or create a new page from the Add Content menu, I have an example lecture page here, and I'm just going to go to Settings, and here's the rich text editor. If you want to add a video from YouTube, or an image from Picassa, you can do so by using this G, Insert Rich Media here. I'm going to go ahead and type some text, you know, view the following video and discuss your thoughts with the class. Now, I would certainly provide much more detailed information than that, and get them to probably critically think about the video and discuss that, but for the purposes of this tutorial, this will work. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select the Google Media, and you can see here that you have choices to add YouTube videos or Picassa images. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a YouTube video. And I'm going to use Did You Know 4.0. And this is the video that I'm looking for. And I'm going to choose to embed it so that students can watch it from within the Angel window. You'll see that there's a placeholder for the media, and once you save and view the document, the video will appear right within the document itself. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to add an image from Picassa. So maybe you need them to look at view this image, or maybe they find an image, or maybe it just goes along with your text and you want to place an image here. All you need to do is go to Google, Picassa Images, and let's see, I just happened to go to the Niagara Falls recently. We'll look at Niagara Falls, and here's a beautiful image of the falls at night, so we can embed or link. I'm going to embed this image, and when I save my page, you can see that I have an image. Now this image is a little large, so there's a couple things we can do to edit it. In this settings menu, I'm going to go ahead and click on this image, and I right clicked on the image so that I can go to image properties. See, I could change the width and the height, so I'm going to do 400 by 300. I'm just kind of playing with the number to see how I want it positioned. If you wanted to wrap text around it, you would need to align it left or right. I'll align it left. Select OK. So this way I could, type text on the right hand side. We could edit that again if you wanted the text to wrap to the right. You could do that. So that's in the image properties. The other thing you need to do when adding an image is add alternative text. This provides a description of the image, and it also makes it what we call ADA compliant. If a screen reader were to read this page, it would say what the image is as opposed to the person being able to see it. So I'm going to do Niagara Falls at night. And I'm going to save that. So this is how you can add an image right from Picassa Web. There are also, you can also upload an image by using this Insert Edit Image if you had an image on your computer. The method I showed you was getting them from online. And a third way to add a video is if you had a video that you found on the web and you wanted to add the embed code, you could go ahead and go to get the embed code, and lots of different online widgets have embed code, and you would copy it, and you'd come on back to Angel, and instead of just adding it the way we did, you would have to come over here to the source and hit enter once, and then you would Control V or right click to paste and go back to the normal view, and that video would now be embedded. So that's the other way that you can get embedded content into Angel, is by going to the source code, pasting it, and going back to the rich text view. Save your document, and when you view it, you can see there's a video here, a video, and an image.